So, about to give you some real My Watch lifestyle talk. Giving you the lifestyle. I'm actually with Zenith, ready to indulge in some watchmaking. Right? Yeah. So, stay tuned. We'll be back at you in a minute.
Whatsoever in luxury goods or anything like that.
How long have you been a watchmaker?
15 years now. Yeah. So, and it's been a cool field. It's literally taken me around the world, and it's a fun thing. I've gotten to work for some different companies. The longest I've been with anyone is Zenith, and Zenith LVMH, and it's a really great time for the brand right now.
Yeah.
Zenith. Literally working on the Zenith El Primero right now.
It's a very good chance that I'll just actually need to scrap the part.
Look. Right now.
The one thing to keep in mind is that you're looking at the back of the movement. So your start-stop is actually at 4 o'clock right now, just because the movement is flipped over. But this is really where you get to see so much of the chronograph mechanism. You're more than welcome to flip it over.
Good at pretending.
But this movement holder is two-sided, as you can see. It has the pushers on both sides. But when it's right here, we can see the whole chronograph mechanism in place. And you can go ahead and start-stop, and you'll be able to see with your loop that clutch as it actually engages with the center chronograph wheel, which when you look at it under the loop gives you a whole new level of appreciation for it. And just see if you can begin to see the teeth of the center wheel on an El Primero. Anyone know how many teeth are on the center of El Primero?
I just successfully took apart a Zenith bridge and put it back. Putting these screws in it is no joke. Trust me. I'm giving y'all some real watch talk right here. These screws is no joke. We are now certified to take bridges apart with Zenith. So, the class.
And actually take apart.
I finished my first Zenith Watch class.
You got passed.
I passed.
Passed.
Hold on, wait a minute. From a Zenith? Hold on, get it. Official watchmaker. I passed the class. Look at the back. So, this is what we doing. My Watch lifestyle talk. Zenith. Good times.
Awesome.